What's up, guys? Today, alright, Bill, I'm gonna be in like that. Okay, anyway, here, you're right here. Okay, today we're gonna be running Trident lining because we killed Osama bin Laden earlier at his compound. This is what we're gonna do. The plan is we're gonna go around here, clear this thingy, come back out this way, enter through library. So, this dude right here, also known as Jeff Epstein, is a child I don't think I can say that. He is a...
He's a child semi-unaliver.
Well, no, he's a child...
He's a semi-unaliver.
Yeah, he's like Diddy.
No,
he
that...
claps.
Jeff, we don't want to get him on his face.
Okay, so...
You can't think he claps child.
He doesn't. So, okay. So, like Osama's mission, we can't... Oh, wait. Unlike Osama's mission, we are allowed to shoot him anywhere we want. As you can see, this is what he's going to be looking like. Bill? If you don't look... Okay. He has no vest on, as you can see. And as you can tell, this is his compound, or house, we'll say. After this, we're doing this mission. Sever Snake.
Sever Snake.
And Sever Snake is a different...
That's about someone who's not actually real.
Yes, but the mission is a real thing. The mission...
No, it's not.
No, the mission was a thing. There just was no HVT. It was in 2018. I don't remember the name of the mission. I saw it, though. There's footage. So...
Then it's not the same mission.
No, it's in a place like this. Like, you know, they modeled the compound like a one-on-one replica. They tried that with that, too. But, so, anyway, guys, this is our HVT for the next mission. Also known as, apparently, hold on, I have his name here somewhere. I don't remember his name. Jovan Adamovich, or according to the game, that's his name. He's not a real person. There are hella, so there's at least 30 people in this town. So what we're gonna do, there's like four, at least two body doubles of this dude. And the way to find out if it's a real one of them, we're going to unmask. They're all gonna have a mask on, most likely. And if we unmask him and they have a gray beard like this, that's HVT. Then exfil starts. It could either be on the top of the 4-story, over here, or I think over here or something like that. But we're gonna because we're not pros at this game, but we'll try to run it ourselves. So we're gonna clear this. Wait, first we're gonna clear these two. Then after that, after we clear these, we're gonna move to the second group, which are these. Then after that, we're gonna move to this, and eventually we're gonna run into HVT, whether you like it or not. Well, we're going to like it because we're gonna kill him. Yep. And if we have enough time, we'll try it. What the hell are you doing? Why did you go with nature? Okay. Without further ado, we're gonna kill Epstein. Is your left thing better?
Yeah.
Okay, it's 15. We're gonna enter from the left again.
Come stick with me.
Pop, pop, pop. Okay.
Don't screw up. Stay focused.
Most likely no one's in here yet, but there could be. He's that?
Try not to alert people if there are nearby.
Well, you can climb this tree.
Nah, but trust me.
There's people on the other side.
I throw a flash.
Nope. I thought there was people on the other side.
Oh well, there's not. So we're gonna go back there. Here, wait for me. We can't be that far apart because there's only 2 of us. It's not as pleasant. Who's that? I thought that was Epstein. I'm retarded as hell. When we kill the HVT, I'm gonna stick a knife in him. I'm marking my territory. And we're gonna walk up these. So if they patch this in the new update, I'm gonna crash the... Bro, why am I not... Okay. If they patch walking up these trees, I'm gonna crash. Let's head here.
2 kills, but there could be more around.
Alright, come on. Let's head over here in here.
Pump.
Silent Bill. Okay, be quiet. Open it.
Behind us!
No, not behind us. They're shooting through the door. Ready? No, you're in the fatal funnel.
I'm ready. I know, but I'm ready to kill them. Open the door and I'm gonna blast their heads off. What the hell?
Maybe he went in there. Okay, come on. I'm covering you. Okay, come here. Let's head over here now. We're heading to Maine. There's a guard next to him.
Kill him, get in. I'm down. Not down.
Okay. I just took his thing. I'm coming. Should I make it?
4, 3, 2. You're not there.
So where should I go? I'll chill in master bedroom. Okay. I'm just finna chill in the master bedroom until Bill comes. Ah, what a lovely house. Huh, Epstein's an asshole. Where are you, Bill? Are you in the house?
I'm coming in now. Where are you?
I'm in the master bedroom with that, like, weird-ass shaped roof.
Upstairs?
Yeah. The floor that's
What floor? First, second, or third?
Epstein's. Where Epstein's dead body was. Just follow that.
Near Epstein.
Where are you, Bill?
I'm in library.
Still? Alright, come on.
Oh, I know where to go now.
Just follow white circle.
I don't see the white circle anymore.
You know where the gym is, kinda?
Yes?
You go straight, there's a hallway.
I don't remember.
Okay.
Dead.
You see Epstein's body?
No, but I did just kill somebody right by it.
So when you see Epstein's body,
There's Epstein's body.
okay,
right
you see the gym?
Jim is on this side. Yeah.
Okay, I'm right here. Don't shoot at me.
What?
Okay, I'm right here. Okay, I have key card. We're going to clear these rooms now. Watch out, stay there. No fatal fun.
I'm doing this room.
No, go here. We're both gonna clear the same room at this. Okay, over there. Good boy. Okay, now you go over there. The breacher can't be the one over there. It's gonna be over here. I just made that mistake.
Clear.
Okay. Now we're finding this laptop.
We don't have. Wait, we have to check in here for the laptop.
No, I checked in there already. I killed the dude right there. Come on, I'm marking my words. I'm leaving this in.
Keep your doors open so you know. Don't close the doors. Wait, let me stick my knife in Epstein's body. It's not letting me stab him. Oh, right in the face. Oh boy. Oh my god.
Epstein's right here for me.
I know, I see him.
For me, his head is right here.
For me, his head's here.
I mean, he's dead at the same spot, so it don't matter.
I stabbed him in the face, did you?
Yeah, I did too.
For me, he stabbed his
He's on your Get
Dead.
Are dead, okay. I'll start to head to the library, so we'll meet up.
No, hang on, by the way.
Yeah, go to library, or I'll exit from library, and then we'll be together.
Alright, I'm pointing my way. I see you. After this, you want to like go to bed or something after we do Sever Snake?
Yeah.
Because we do need to start getting ready to wake up at 6 in the morning.
It's gonna be hell.
For real. Like, I've actually started sleeping in and waking up at like 9.
Alrighty. Find this motherfucking computer, feel me?
Could be in here.
Or here. Okay, now it's probably in that basement thingy-majiggy, you know what I mean?
Come stick with me.
Hard, I'm down.
You're downed?
You could drag me. Hey Bill, your stims are on your back?
Yeah.
My stims are right here. Alright, anyway.
So, what do you have on your back?
Like my door knocker.
What else?
No,
Nothing?
I mean if I carry a bomb for a mission, that's it.
Yeah. So I have my bombs. I have my bombs down here with my mags.
Well, our knives are not there anymore. That's because we both got downed. Should we do that?
Oh yes, I know.
You have
Wait,
key
we
card?
to- Yes, I have key card. Wait, I'm putting my knife back in this bag. Oh my god, right through the eye. That's diabolical.
Ooh, right through the jaw.
Dead.
You? Or
No, him.
okay. Check this room now.
Well, we haven't checked basement at all. We need to check everywhere. Right here.
Bet. Alright, hold on. So once you
I have
put that
key-
shit in, I'm guarding this side, you guard that side, alright? Feel me?
It's not letting me that much.
Okay. We're good, boys.
Here we go, let's get out.
No, don't leave. We stay here and wait for upload to be
Why?
done. Because that's how we failed the mission, remember? No, you get that side, Bill? I got one.
Popping.
Well, we can- Kill everybody, Bill.
Yeah.
Even over there. Yep.
Okay. 20 seconds. God damn it.
Because then you'll spawn your exfil.
Primary objectives complete. Confirm your secondary objectives in RTV, marking your extraction site with red smoke. Be advised, we've spotted an enemy force closing on your current pause. Hold that LZ.
Damn, that kid went flying. Y'all saw that too.
I saw you, yeah.
Where are you? Oh, this is me.
Well, I saw you going.
Did you see his body go flying?
Yeah, because I went down this.
We may or may not have. We're going to run it though.
I'm down. I'm down. Rest.
I'm gonna drive you. Okay. Bill, you know that you can drag when they're down. You can drag them by the head to a place where you could take cover and then revive them.
Yeah. I know. I just don't because it's easier to not.
So you know, Bill, go.
Dead. 30 seconds remaining.
Helo's got eyes on you now. 30
There.
seconds.
So you go right there. Bill, look at me. You go no, look. Come here. Come back. You go right there. Yeah. If anyone comes at that angle, kill them. If anyone comes, no, Bill, come here. So pretend I'm you. You get anybody over there. I get anybody over here.
Get the turn.
No, you don't have to.
Get to do this fast.
All right. Alright, now we're running Sever. You have no time to waste, right, Bill? We
Yeah.
already raised it earlier.
Sever Snake.
Is a go.
You're still.
Yep, I'm still recording. Operation Sever Snake is a go, ladies and gentlemen.
So Operation Dahlia is coming in a few days, as you all know.
And they are adding new enemies for Operation Dahlia because it's based on a cartel system that kidnapped a hostage from us. So the cartel people look like Mexican gangsters with bandanas on who are soccer players.
No, they
No,
don't?
never mind. No, yeah, they do. Did you see that one video I sent you?
Don't screw
try to
up.
do
Stay
this.
focused.
It looks like a businesswoman. What happens if I shoot the pump? I really want to shoot the pump.
Nothing.
It's not gonna like explode.
Nope.
They should make it explode.
That makes good.
That's what would really happen.
Yep. Cause
There's probably people in there, but it doesn't matter. I've never actually done this mission before.
actually,
Yeah.
wait, I think we have done it, but no, we haven't.
No, we're not finished.
I finished it with other people.
We might have did it like once at midnight.
You see this
And
place
that's
with the
why-
balcony, like this nice balcony with lights hanging?
Yeah.
He may be in there, so we're gonna.
That's actually like a nice house. I'd want to live there, Loki.
Not in this town though.
Even if Evil Andrew takes it, then this town sounds pretty nice.
One person's dead.
Is that?
No,
The master?
it's not a bald dude. I did see another enemy.
Yeah, I did also. I'm pushing around the corner for him. No one's in there. No one's in, at least in the basement room.
Alright, come back. Let's head through. Let's enter in here. Come here. Don't alert them. Come here.
It's not hardcore. Us breaking windows doesn't alert anyone. There's off in the building. What was that noise?
He was screaming. I know that shit
What is-
hurt. Yep, climb up. Damn, I fell.
Can I? I don't think I can smash these
No, he's
doors.
probably gonna be in here, Bill. Check down there. I'm going dark.
Going dark?
Clear?
Yep. Killed one.
Okay,
Cleared
okay.
this room at least.
This whole floor is clear on the bottom. There's more rooms on the top. I repeat, here, head up.
There's rooms you didn't open.
Upstairs.
Yep, coming up. Did you just hear
I
that
killed
noise?
someone.
I know, but did you hear like the blood that came out of
It was
him?
like... Alright, going dark
Wow.
again, and I'm heading down here.
Oh, I'm still dark.
So far, we haven't even came close with an enemy double. Hopefully, they haven't fled the scene. Alright, we're good. Head back. No, that's... I don't think that... I think that's... leads to the outside. Yep, it does. Let's head back up.
We already cleared all the rooms though.
I know, we're just gonna get like a good eye on some. You wanna head to... Oh, wait, there's... Bill, come on. There are, more... Alright, come on.
Sometimes I just shoot in windows to alert them to see if
Same.
they know. Because even if you're not playing hardcore mode, you know that if you shoot, that'll alert them at least.
Yeah.
But not
Yeah,
if
let's
you
head
do
down.
anything else.
Oh no, we'll just jump off there again. Yep. Okay, cover me. I'm heading down. Bill, come here.
You can shoot.
Now let's clear these. Come here. Let's go through this alleyway. No, this
Where you
one.
at? I didn't see you.
Okay. Possible HVT could be in here.
True, going dark.
Bravo 6. Okay, here. Go over there. You're in the funnel. Okay. Ready? Hold on. Don't go out.
Wait, that's a body double.
No, it's not. It's not. See? You don't see the bald head. Okay? This building is...
You have to pull them.
Nah, see? He disappears. We're good. Let's go. Let's clear this one now. Come here. This building.
I don't. Frick!
You good? Oh,
I
shit.
punched a wall.
Alright, going dark.
Dude.
Nope. Okay, let's go. Up here. I'll throw another flash. Watch out. Oh, shit, watch out. Back.
It's fine. It doesn't affect me.
Where is HPT? Oh, maybe he's in the other section of buildings. More left. Oh, check the big Bill. Come here, Bill. Over here. Follow me. Wait, stay where you are.
Oh, I see you.
Where?
You're right there.
Okay, come on. Let's head over here. There's a 4-story building. That's where sometimes... Yep, this is it. HVT's most likely maybe in here. Here, don't turn, yeah. Watch out. Alright, I'm throwing a flash up there. Watch out.
No, you don't have to. There's only one person up there.
Okay.
So don't
I'll
throw
do a
the
flash
flash
up here,
here.
though, okay?
Yeah, you can.
I don't have any more left. We have to raw dog this bitch. Oh, I'm down. I'm down. I'm down. On the stairs.
Wait, where you at? I don't see you.
Okay. Wait, that was not 4-story. This is the room, the building right next to us. Alright, Bill. Alright. Head downstairs. Over here. Come. Oh wait, actually we could jump off this.
Oh shit.
I jumped this well, it's fine. Okay, open it.
You can't shoot it.
Okay. Be careful. Okay, come here. Over here, follow me. I know where that 4-story. It's right here. We're going inside that.
Well, I mean, we need to if we want to find the HBTs. And they're hitting his body doubles.
The entrance is right here. Watch out, you're in the fatal portal. Go on the side. I died. Are you died? Okay, so where'd you respawn? Inside a building. Okay, exit that building and tell me where it is. Are you on the... Okay. Hold on. Pull your laser. Oh, it's me. Okay, jump off there. Jump off. No, trust me, there's not. I don't think. Just jump off and come here. Alright, come on, Bill. Ready? Let's clear that 4-story and try to get out of here.
Oh, man. This is the 4-story,
No,
right?
this is... Hold on, there is somebody right there. Let's neutralize him first.
I killed him. He's dead.
Oh, he is?
We killed him. Dead. Bone and dead.
Come on, Bill. Damn! I'm down. He's right there.
Is that's not
I'm
one of
down.
their...
Thank you.
Is that one of their, like... No, it's
No,
not.
it is not. None of these
That's
work.
not either.
We have to push. Okay, now we have a good view of this city, or this thingy. Okay. Dylan, I'm Bill. Yeah, the building you're aiming at, you see this one right here? We're gonna clear this half of the town now, okay? Can we... cannot grip onto these. Just head back down. Going dark.
No one's in here. You don't really need to go and die.
Because, I mean, you can't really see. You can hardly see.
Use a flashlight to find the stairs. Wait, we didn't clear over here.
I think that's an exit. Oh, no, it's not.
Good thing we did clear, otherwise...
Okay, let's clear this half. Yep.
Here? Going dark.
Okay.
I'll turn the flashlight off for God's sakes.
There's two.
Oh my God, I'm downed.
Come down here.
No.
Okay. Be quiet. I'm throwing a flash. I'll kill one and you'll kill one. They both are dead. None of them are pretend HVTs. Where the frick is HVT? I don't know if he freaking left or something like that. Bro. Alright, come down.
I mean, they're not like allowed to flee the scene, right?
Oh, there's somebody out there. Shh. You know how to cut the corners. Do it. You go this way, I'll go this way. Ready? Go. Fucking hell. Was that HVT? No, that's definitely. It may have been him. It may be him or it may be. But. Okay, I'm going to him. Where are you? Okay, I'm trying to get that dude. I guess. I hear your voice. Just keep talking a little bit. Wait, was it a bald dude?
Primary
Okay,
objective
good boy.
complete. Marking extraction now.
Oh, I'm right here, behind you.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Wait, let's go on top of the 4-story building, or... That's a fake one right there. We already have a real one. Come on.
So might as well pull the mask off to make sure there aren't two of them.
I did. Fake, another fake one.
Oh, why are they all in the same spot?
Because they're all there. Alright, try to find Xville. They mark it with red smoke.
Yeah, I know. I don't see it.
Hold on. You see that 4-story again, Bill? Let's go on top of that, and then,
Oh,
then
yeah.
it's gonna have a bird's eye view of this whole thing.
In
No.
here?
You good? Okay, I got you, bro.
Reloaded.
Okay, come on. It's over there. Nate, it's over here. Come. It's right there. This is one of the ways to enter.
Let's get it. We can probably see the rest
Remember,
of
this is the way you came in from? We don't have to go dark, I don't think. Okay, I already know where Xville is. It's right there. You see through the window?
Yep.
Let's go there.
So, no. Let's go up and then we can
No, we
hop off the
can't,
top.
because we can't grip that thing.
Oh, that
Yep.
building? Alright.
Come down.
Tell me. Wait.
There's gonna be...
Wait, you can just walk out one of the windows.
Oh, yeah, you can. Alright. Wait for me.
Then mark the real one's body.
That's smart. Alright, so, I repeat, it's over here.
It's around this corner.
No, it's over here. It's over here.
Okay, coming. Oh yeah, it's over here.
So, let's say I go right, you look left, even if we're going the same way. Alright?
Yep.
So you see that road, like long road over there, Bill?
Yeah,
Those are
that's
gonna be down. Okay, I'm not starting exfil. Hell no, cannot risk that. Okay. Where? But I'm not doing exfil. Where are you? Oh, Bill, I'm right there. Did the truck come? Bill, go all the way back and make a left. I'm right there. I think there might be another truck. All of them? Okay. You see? Okay, it's me. Yep. I shot at the car. That was me. I shot the car.
What is that gun you're using?
It's I don't even remember. It's like it's something with an M. It's a M19, I think, maybe. Here, come up.
I use a Victus. The Victus fire? Oh,
Are you good? Covering you. You killed the enemy, you're good. I'll put the mag in and pull back. Shot, just
I don't know how to reload.
practice shot for you. Shoot real
What?
quick, just one. Okay, we're good.
It worked. I know how to reload.
Now,
it just
there's gonna
wasn't
be another
reloaded.
truck that comes. Cause I didn't start exfil yet. Alright, come back. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Extraction's
There's
en route.
car over there.
Keep those guns up. We have eyes on multiple enemies headed your way.
Check over there. Yep, you guard over there. I'll get that truck.
One mic.
God damn it.
Okay, we're good. Okay. Behind you. I'm down. Yo, come. Oh my gosh. I'm right next to exfil. I'm down. No. Wait, we're gonna make it. No, we're not. Bill, hurry. I'm down. I think this might be a fail. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah. Shh, be quiet. Alright, bye guys. Adios.